So I'm going to show you the reason and or like one of the main reasons why you need to learn developing with only AI. Right here, I have this TikTok page, right? I saw an up and coming trend that this was going to be very popular. And what I mean by this is we're not and we're not in a time where you can just build something months later, hope it pops off, right? Everything's moving very fast. And for something that's super specific, like right here, I created this bot where all it does is grabs a video or a prompt, right? So it generates a prompt. Let's see right here. Right here, Newton apple falls, sparking revolution in physics and a new understanding in gravity. Like, I didn't even think about that. And then I can say it searches for images, and then it grabs the top 4 images, and then it creates a video out of it. That's really all it does. And then I have an auto create button here where it just does the prompting, video creation, and images for me. But it's pretty much, I mean, if I want to show the code off here, I have 3 main ones. The video service, the prompt, where here's a simple system prompt. You are a creative historical content creator, fascinating moments in history. The Greeks, I give an example of like this one, and my example is the Greeks gifting the Trojan wooden horse. And the purpose of this entire project is to give a satire MP4 video like this one. Or pretty much copying the Daily Mail, but it's more satire, right? It's the History Mail. And literally, I'm just clicking download, and it's generating me videos. Now, if I want to do very like popular ones, like what I mean by this is the ones that I know are gonna hit, I'm going to manually look up the historical headlines. Like I just put in a prompt, generate, just pretty much just like make it sound better, whatever. And I'm just manually going through and picking the prompts that I like that are funny. Like I'm gonna make a video, like I just did this one. Dinosaurs file a complaint about an incoming asteroid, and guess what? I'm literally hitting. Look how funny this is. It feels crazy, right? Like I would not have been able to do this if it wasn't for Cursor AI and just sitting there and figuring out how to just let's see. Oh, I don't have any commits yet. I thought I did. I probably should do a commit on this. But maybe I can show you the chat history. So 17 hours is the last chat I had. Within a day, I created let's say, a winning solution to my problem that I don't have to manually edit everything, and I'm just pumping out content. Hopefully I said that correctly, but like right here, let's pick an example. Let's do Cleopatra, unsinkable trips. Titanic unsinkable trip launches iceberg. Let's do this one. I'm literally just gonna put this. Good thing you see this error on the video, because let's see here. I got this error, so I'm just gonna put this in Composer. hope you fix the video server's PI file. This is a great example because this is the first time that I got this error. So let's see if it fixes it. Yep, it did. Oh my gosh, like just something like that people just can't resist, you know? It's funny. And this is all I'm doing. I generate something, I post it, and the reason why it's like popping off is because it's unique. Like I'm not using some sort of shorts generator, right? I could definitely do that. But it's going to take more time to grow because everybody does that. So you can see here, I'm just getting more and more views, just pumping out these videos, and I'm doing pretty good. That is all. I just want to record a quick video of what's going on and pretty much how I did it, what I'm doing. And yeah, thank you.